Hello all, my name is Amelia and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about our discussion forum for the week. So I'm going to begin by telling you about how conflict begins. Oftentimes what I've noted is that conflict begins when there's team members that have different ideas and they feel very strongly about their opinion. There's also times when there's conflict because of the way in which we work. Some people want to get things done immediately, other people would like to plan, there's people that like to wait till the last minute, and with these different ways of working, it definitely causes conflict amongst team members. A project manager can find out that there's conflict occurring in various ways. They could possibly see the conflict in meetings, they could notice tension amongst the team members. Another way would be possibly a team member coming to them and discussing that there's an issue. They could also notice a lack of productivity in their team. It could be possibly the employee that's always getting things done early and finishing things on time, and then they're suddenly not contributing the way they normally do. When the project manager takes the time to reach out to that employee, it could possibly be that there was conflict amongst them, and as a result, they're no longer feeling motivated. Some conflict resolution techniques that I've found to be helpful would be to sit down. I definitely think that it's good for them to sit down together and be able to discuss. Something important is also to collaborate. It's really important that not just one person gets to be the one that makes the decisions all of the time, but instead, if they can come together and figure out what works best for both of them, as well as the project, then they'll grow together. And they might also see that the other person's idea actually was not that bad and that it will provide benefits to the project. So by coming together, they're working with one another, they're teaching each other, and they're also learning that when you work with other people, things aren't always going to be the way that you want them to be. There's times where you have to work with others in order to make the projects come through. Another technique would be to collect data. If you collect data, then you can determine possibly this is the best course of action, and then using that data, you can go ahead and show the team, we are going to take this course of action. The reason that we're going to do so would be because through our analysis of the data, this is what's been determined. It's really important for a project manager to attempt to manage the conflict, because if they don't, it can escalate and it can cause the team to break up. So it's not something that they should ignore. They should definitely address it as soon as possible. As soon as they notice that it's causing issues or that there's conflict occurring, they should definitely address it, because the longer that they wait, the more that not only the project may suffer, but the team themselves may suffer. And those are my thoughts in regards to project management, conflict, and conflict resolution. Thank you so much for your time.